Hey guys, for today I'm going to teach you how to create PayPal account. So first, download PayPal app and then just click on it, and then we will click sign up, and we just have to add our mobile number. Just take the security challenge by clicking the I am human. You just have to type in the code that was sent to you using the mobile number that you used earlier, and then type in your email so that your friends or other people can send money using your email, and then create your password. You just have to set up your profile by filling out the first name, middle name, last name, and you will also be having your identity card or document that you may have, and just type in your address that you will use on your bills. Finally, you'll have to create your username and make sure it is available. So there are suggested username below. You can just have that. You can also enable push notifications, and you can also sync your contacts. And that's it. So thanks guys for watching until the end. Please click on the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Again, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.